Alrighty, so I recorded yesterday, recorded a video, and I accidentally deleted all of the footage. So you could say I was a little annoyed. I was rendering the footage, had it all made, and for some reason I thought it was a good idea to delete it and not store it on my computer. I don't know what I was thinking. So I accidentally deleted all of it to clear up some space for this to record in the future. But whatever, I caught one little bass, 12 inches long, nothing at all worth bragging about. I also lost some footage of me hooking into a giant fish on the river. Lost it, it flew off, and I was annoyed, but we're gonna go back out there. It's currently my lunch break. If I can find my keys, we'll get going, and it's raining. It literally just stopped raining, so we'll see what we can get our hands on. I'm thinking of throwing either spinnerbait or a jerkbaits, a smaller jerkbait, but we'll see what I throw when we get there. So we'll see out there. It's windy, not ideal, but we'll make it work. See what we can catch. We're throwing a Googan Baits Zinger with one of their little Saucy Swimmers as a trailer. So we'll see how this goes. Right at the shore. Bit of right. Little guy. Right at my feet. I was literally just gonna say, I'll give it another 5 minutes. Nice little guy. Nothing crazy. There we go. That's a good one. Not huge. Anyways, I am gonna go get back to work, go back to doing my engineering stuff, and I will see you guys later. Let me know what is your favorite, what do you want to call it? I gotta find my keys. Let me know what your favorite jerkbait is. Not your favorite jerkbait, sorry. That was what I was planning on doing yesterday, but that was a great video that just ended up getting scrapped because I lost. I'm not gonna say I lost it. I accidentally deleted all the footage. But, yeah, let me know what is your favorite spinnerbait? I'm getting a guy right behind me. Hello.
Hey, I gotta lock this gate, so I'm gonna have to have you.
I'm literally leaving right now.
All right, thank you.
Yep, you too. Well, that was awkward. So I'm in a soccer complex, obviously, and they've got to go, and it's time to leave. Anyways, I'm gonna get going. I have to get back to work. I took a little bit more than an hour for lunch, but just about an hour. I mean, I gotta work a little longer. But let me know your favorite spinnerbaits, your favorite color, if you like trailers, if you like a Colorado blade, a willow blade, what's your favorite combo, what's your favorite spinnerbait? That's all it is. And hopefully we'll see you later. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want to see some more. We'll be out here some more, I'm sure. Alrighty. Have a good one, and we'll talk to you guys later. Peace.